Welcome to Bengal Prime Present News Feed, and I am Harshita Singh representing some important news from this feed. US President Donald Trump wants to reformat G7, that is the group of 7 advanced economies in the world, which will include India, South Korea, Russia, and Australia. Calling the existing format outdated, Trump revealed the idea of an expanded group after announcing that he was scrubbing G7 he had planned to host Camp David in June. The other G7 countries like United Kingdom, Italy, France, Japan and Canada too appeared lukewarm about the summit given the pandemic worldwide situation. The Minister of Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs, Shivamaya, on behalf of the government of Nepal, tabled the bill a day after the main opposition of Nepali Congress also backed the legislation. It will be the second amendment to the constitution. The Nepal government on Sunday tabled a constitution amendment bill in parliament aimed at altering the country's map amid a border dispute in India. In today's Mann Ki Baat program, PM Modi asked his countrymen to maintain 6 feet distance and wear masks and use sanitizers. He also brought some major issues like how passenger train services, buses and flights had come to a standstill. He also said the challenges facing the country too are of a different kind, yet corona did not spread as fast as it did in other countries of the world. So we can still fight back and we can still remain safe. He said coronavirus tally in India surges to approximate 1,90,000 cases. The nationwide lockdown and containment zones will continue till 30th June, but extensive relaxations including opening of religious places, malls will be in a phased manner from June 8. So we have to stay safe and stay at home. Nepal recently released the revised political and administrative map of the country, laying claim over the strategical key areas of Kalapani, Lipulekha and Limpiadwar. On the contrary to this, India reacted angrily to the move, saying such artificial enlargement of territorial claims will not be acceptable and asked the neighboring country to refrain from such unjustified categorical assertion. The exams which were postponed in view of nationwide lockdown imposed to contain the spread of COVID-19 have been rescheduled from July 1 to 14. However, many students have moved to different locations after the lockdown came in effect on March 25th. According to the officials, keeping the situation in mind, the Council of the Indian School Certificate Examination (CISCE) has allowed students to appear for the pending board examination from the city they are at present, given an option to student candidates to take up the examination later during the compartmental test. So this was all for today. Thank you for watching Bengal Prime. This is Harshita Singh, and stay tuned with Bengal Prime for more important news feeds and news updates. We will be back tomorrow at the same time. Also, please don't go out if it's not necessary, and if you have to go out, please wear a mask and use hand sanitizer, and please keep at least 6 feet distance from others. Stay safe, stay at home.